So I study mechanical engineering at UC. I'm minor in aerospace. I'm going into my third year this year. And I've taken on a practical internship role at HamiltonJet to fulfill my practical hours. And that has been so rewarding. So I've been working in the factory, getting grubby in my overalls. And I've been working for the maintenance team primarily.
I'm studying mechatronics engineering at UC, and what I've been doing at HamiltonJet is automating the revalve furnace at the LJ foundry.
Over the summer, I've been working in the manufacturing engineering team. So my jobs are basically talking to people at the factory, seeing if they've got any problems that they need to be solved, like things they need upgraded or like new parts made.
I'm currently studying mechanical engineering at UC, and I'm going into my fourth year. I'm working in the new jets team, and I'm working with the design or engineers to design HTX 65 and LPX 53 jets.
One of the former managers has asked me to machine a spacer for one of the jets that they test on the boats, so for the test rig, which has been very cool. So I've been sat at a lathe for a couple of weeks, machining this big hunk of metal down to some specifications. It's been really cool to see that go all the way through, and it's going to be put into the test boat and used and out on the water.
Normal day would involve doing CAD work and models, and then doing drawings of components. So talking to the manufacturing team and talking through how they're actually going to manufacture.
One of the highlights for me is definitely the creative freedom that I've had in my role specifically. So I've just been using SolidWorks a lot. So I've gotten like quite good at it, a lot better than I was before. And I don't always seem to be told what to do. Like I can just talk to the factories people, see what I need to do, and just make a design myself, get it checked off with it, get it made. So I have a lot of freedom to figure out how to do things myself. So of course, it's definitely been a good learning experience.
A key learning I had in the company was learning how a large designing and manufacturing company works, and how they bring parts from the drawing board all the way through to production and sales and marketing. It's pretty cool.
I interact with most of them because they're all experts in different areas, and then get to go out on the shop floor a bit and learn a lot from the staff out there. Some of my projects, like day-to-day work, would be revising drawings, doing some testing of different things we're looking at, and working on my own projects to help continually improve the new jets department.
I've appreciated the flexibility when it comes to the sort of projects that I want to do, because there was the main project that I was doing, but also I found that there was a lot of flexibility with me, like doing certain things that were just for interest's sake.
Definitely recommend internship at HamiltonJet. They've seemed to got it all completely down, all sorted with internships. They've got so many experiences set up for us. For example, the first day we went out to Aria, that was probably one of my highlights. Such a nice day. Start of summer, lovely, out on the boat, on the water was so nice. Got to see the jets in action. Obviously didn't know too much about jets when we first came here. Got to see them right there. It was been working. Got to play on the jets as well. It's quite cool.
Real highlight was driving jet boats. It was just amazing to see how fast it can go and actually use some of the products that we've been designing. I also love going out to Littleton on the demonstrator boats. It was pretty cool to see how just all the controls work on the commercial jets.